This has to be the most excited I've ever been for an advent calendar in my life. Hi girls, Lexi Luxury here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I got my hands on Atolea's limited edition advent calendar, so naturally I wanted to unbox it with you. I've mentioned Atolea on my channel numerous times. I always have at least one item of theirs on my body, so I'm so excited that they are sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with them, they make iconic waterproof jewelry. I wore so many of their pieces all throughout summer. I'm still wearing them now. I took them to the beach, in the shower, I slept with them. Trust me, good quality is an understatement. Anyways, inside this gorgeous little advent calendar, we're supposedly gonna find 12 mystery gold jewelry pieces that are exclusive, meaning they are sold nowhere on Atolea's site. Now listen, if you want to get me to be interested in anything, tell me it's exclusive. I'm so sad. I do want to point out that these are selling out very quickly. Okay, I just checked the site. It said there was only a few left. So if you like what you see, if you want to partake in Atolea's advent calendar, run. You can head down to the link in the description and purchase yours before they're gone. And when you do that, make sure you use my code LEXI15 to get your 15% off. Okay, it is taking absolutely everything inside of me to not tear into this, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Let's dive in. So this bad boy here is an $800 value, and you can get it for only $279. That is 65% off. That is absolutely insane. Inside each one of these advent calendars, you're gonna have 5 necklaces, 4 earrings, and 3 bracelets. No rings because obviously sizing issues. And then on day 12, you get a bonus surprise gift. Now, as per Atolea, we're just gonna be diving into the first 3. The rest are gonna remain a mystery. Also, I have not looked into any of these, okay? So this is about to be a raw reaction. Are we ready? Am I ready? Okay, number 1, let's go. What is it, guys? What is it? Oh, anticlimactic. We gotta open the pouch. That's actually really nice that they give you a little case for whatever this is, because I love to travel with these. Oh, yo, these are so stunning. Imagine these with an updo too, like sickening. I cannot believe I just came up on these with a pearl drop accent. I honestly am about to put these on right now because girl, hello? Stop it, stop. They're so cute, they're so classy, and they match my outfit. What are the odds? Okay, slay Atolea, thank you. Wow, Stunnerella. Okay, well that was fantastic. Let's see what's in drawer number 2. A second little envelope. I have high hopes now. Shut up. Oh, I almost just cursed. You guys. No, stop. Are you freaking joking me right now? I'm absolutely gagged. I am absolutely gagged. Is that not me? Is that not me? Is that not my freaking style? I would have purchased this on my own. Yo, you're telling me there's 10 more of these. 10 more pieces of jewelry. And these are the first 2? Get out of here. Oh, I cannot get this on fast enough. Wow, I got that on first try. That's crazy. And look at how good it looks with my other Atolea pieces. I don't have anything like this either. Absolutely stunning. Okay, round 3, let's go. Are we ready? Are we ready? More earrings. Oh my gosh. These are gonna replace the ones that I literally just took out. Look at how absolutely gorgeous these are. So beautiful. They're about this big. I'll show you the size. This is about as big as I want to hoop, to be completely honest with you. I love how the diamonds kind of like taper off. There's a better view of them. Absolutely gorgeous. Ah! Okay. Excuse me while I take my new earrings out and put my new earrings in. No, these are so me. These are gonna be like my new daily earrings for sure. I'm just gonna keep them in. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Atolea can do no wrong in my eyes, honestly. Cannot wait to see what the rest of the 9 days hold. Okay, girls, that's the 3. That's it. That's a wrap. That's all we're looking at. I hope y'all loved the little unboxing. I wish I could do more, but this way you can still have some surprises when you get your advent calendar. But remember, these are selling out fast, so use code LEXI15 and get yours ASAP. I will have a link in the description box and also in the pinned comment underneath this video. Like I said, these are selling like hotcakes, so you'll want to hurry. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me a present emoji so I know that you're a real one. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every single week and almost every single day on shorts. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you did like this video, then make sure you check out these because you will love them as well. Okay, girlies, I love you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye. 언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까
Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부